In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of the Starplug by Starpower, and we're going to be talking about it, what it is, how does it earn you rewards, and how to set it up on the app. And stay tuned because near the end of the video, we are approved to actually give away 5 Starplugs. So thank you, Starpower, for being willing to do a giveaway for you guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So Starpower is rewarding users who buy a Starplug in order to collect data with the local power grid, so that way Starpower can eventually create their own virtual power plant, which has seen success already in Australia. Now, what does that mean? Let me break it down for you. A virtual power plant, or a VPP, is an energy management system where instead of big power being in charge of everything, a VPP would bring a community of homes or businesses that have solar panels, wind turbines, or other renewable resources to produce electricity for the entire community, manage the electricity, and use the big power plants more as just a crutch to draw power from wherever they need it, instead of relying solely on big power plants for power. Right now, Starpower is selling the Starplug to collect electricity usage data, but later hope to sell solar panels, home batteries, and smart appliances like heating and cooling or pool pumps that can talk to each other and respond to signals from the grid. Almost 36%, or 1.8 million Australian households, already have a solar panel on their roof, doubling their renewable energy in 6 years. And with the new innovations of smart appliances and smart cars, and as these technologies get cheaper and more efficient, the use of electronic devices is only going to grow. And Starpowers, with their partners, hope to create more virtual power plants around the world. Now, before we unbox the Starplug and show you how to set it up, I wanted to let you know that I worked out a deal for you guys with Starpower just for you. So not only is there a giveaway, but if you use the link in the description and use my code MATTLONG6, you will get $8 off your order of your Starplug. And if you would like to know how much I am rewarded for running one of these Starplugs, then be sure to subscribe and look for my next upcoming live stream where I share just that alongside with all my other depend devices that earn me passive income. So now let's rip into it. Get off this clear wrap that's causing issues with the camera. And now you guys can actually see the box a little bit better. Let's open it. So this is the Starplug by Starpower. You'll notice that that's made for my region, the plug here. However, don't fear, they have the back plug for all the different regions. And then it also comes with a how to set up guide, and I think that's it. Now, something else that I wanted to mention is at the time of recording, they are still in testnet. However, it is Q4, and that's when they say Q4 2024 is when they are actually going to launch it and have it go live. So they have a coin called Star, and that's what you are rewarded, is the Star token. And then you're also rewarded another coin called Nova, which can be traded with Star, so that way you can cash out. If you guys would like to see a video on how to cash out in the future, let me know. But those are the 2 coins they have, and it's going to be on the Solana blockchain. So let's break that down a little bit and talk about the token reward rules. So Starpower has decided that the fairest way to keep track of how many rewards you earn is going to be on a weekly basis, and they have a few different reasons as to why, but you should be expected to get rewarded every Sunday. And I've already downloaded the app, but I'll show you how to do that. So now that I have the app open, you'll notice that there's another coin called Nova that we somewhat talked about already, and you actually get free Nova just by downloading the app. So you can see here I have an experience card NFT that allows me to claim up to 140 Nova until October 5th. So the experience badge is the one you get for free. The Pioneer badge NFT costs at the current rate about 0.3 Solana, which is like $50 if you would like to upgrade so you can claim more Nova. If you want to know more information about Nova, NFT badges, or star tokens, I'll leave a link in the description. So before I actually show you how to set up in the app, and we'll talk about the giveaway, is I wanted to let you guys know what to plug in. So this just needs to be plugged in, obviously, and then what do you plug into it and how do you make sure that you're earning rewards? Well, all you need to do is make sure that it's always on up here, and then whatever you plug into it, like let me plug this light in. All right, so I have my little light here and I can plug it in. So now to get rewarded, let's say, you know what? Sometimes I want to turn this off, so I can turn it off. This light is still on the actual star plug, so I'm still going to get rewarded. So you don't need to plug something in that is always on. That was something that I thought was a little confusing when I was reading some of the help guide. So it doesn't matter if the thing plugged into it is on or off, just as long as this is on, because it's collecting usage data. So it wants to know how often it's going to be turned on and off and stuff. So that's something to keep in mind, because I was a little confused about that. And another question that a lot of people seem to have is, does it matter if I plug an electric strip into it? Now, my understanding is at the first phase, which is where we are at the time of recording, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. In the future, it might matter how much you put into it, and it might affect rewards or something. I'm not sure, but the amount of voltage or the amount of things you plug into it at this current time doesn't matter. So theoretically, as long as this portion is on, you're good to go. So now let me go ahead and show you how to download the app and set it up. Oh wait, before we do that, we need to talk about the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway and how the giveaway is going to work, let's talk about that. So Starpower said that they are willing to get rid of 5 star plugs. Okay, now my understanding is you can pretty much be anywhere in the world as long as they support your region, which they support every region. And let me fix my light. There we go. You need to make sure that you leave a like and a comment in order to enter and watch this video till the end. Then we gotta hit 5 goals in this video in order to do the giveaway. So the first goal is going to be 100 views on this video, just views, not that hard. Then 200 views, then 500 views. Now I'm only counting unique views. If you keep rewatching this video, it won't count, and YouTube separates that for me in the analytics. Then we are going to do 100 likes and then 50 comments, just 50. I didn't want to make it extremely hard to hit the giveaway, so that's why I'm not making it too hard. So whenever this video hits one of those goals, I will collect all the names in the comments down below at that time of whenever we hit the goal, and then we're going to spin a wheel, and the wheel is going to choose the winner. Then the winner will have 24 hours to claim the prize, or I'll end up spinning the wheel again, and you cannot win any more than once per person. So if you made it this far in the video, might as well go ahead and hit the like button and leave a comment to make sure that you are entered into all the future giveaways. So now we can finally show you how to download the app and set it up in the app. So in order to download the app, what you need to do is go to their website and then click download app, and then scan their QR code for whatever phone you have. So I have an Android, so let's download that. After that, you're going to need to create an account. After you create an account, go ahead and go here and then click back up manually. It's going to be a little bit easier, I think, in my opinion, but you should also save the address that they give you here. If you choose to back up manually, it's going to give you 12 words that you're going to have to save. If you're not new to the crypto space, you're used to this, but if you are new, basically save it wherever you save your social security number. Keep it hidden. Anyone who knows these words could actually access your wallet, and then they could steal all the star coins and Nova that you have in your account and send it to their own wallet and then sell it. And then after that, you verified your email, you're good to go, and you'll get the experience card just by signing up for the app. You don't even have to own a plug, so you could do that right now to start earning free Nova now. So the setup process is actually pretty easy. It only takes 3 minutes. You will need your GPS location turned on in order to do the setup. So in order to do the setup, the first thing we need to do is click devices down here and then claim your Starplug. Next, you're going to go ahead and plug it in. So I'll have it plugged in here, and then press and hold this. And then it'll start flashing really quickly to the left and the right, left to the right, really fast like that. That's how you know you can proceed to step 2. For this, while using the app, you need the GPS data turned on. Now it is searching to find the Starplug. It found it. And now you need to connect the Starplug to your internet. And now it's loading the device identifier. Then it'll give you this info in case you want to look it up. And here it'll have you choose an account. Now you should only have one account. If you have more than one account, you can do that as well. And I'm not sure how that works. If you would like to know more about that, leave a comment down below and maybe I'll make a video about it. But we're just going to select the one account I have. And now select your location. This is important because remember, Starpower is collecting data. So they want to know where this plug is so they know where that data is coming from. So now the Starplug only has one green light on it and it says it's online. And you can actually see the data that you are sending to Starpower. So you can see right here how much star I've earned. It says T star because it means testnet star, but when they actually launch it, you'll get the real star coin. And you can see how much I'm currently using in power and wattage. Let me try plugging in my light again. So as soon as I plug this in, let's see how fast it actually takes to show that more wattage is being used. So I just remembered that it takes 5 minutes for it to upgrade. It upgrades every 5 minutes and sends a signal to Starpower every 5 minutes with the data. So that's probably how long it takes for it to update the current here. But I did notice that there's a few different things. So one, you can click this and turn it off. Oh, sweet. So if you turn it on, oh, that's cool. So you can actually turn on and off your thing from here. But if you do that, like that works. But keep in mind, if you do that, the little light turns off and this light, the green light that I showed you earlier, is turned off. Then that means you're not going to be earning rewards. That light will stay on if you turn this off. So that means you're still earning rewards. So I think I'm gonna wait maybe 5 minutes and see if it updates how much wattage is actually going through it right now using this thing. Although this is pretty light. Let me grab something that takes more electricity. Okay, so I have this power cord which is connected to the my DAP node here, which take a look at that video if you haven't already. And it's a device more for people who want to run nodes and stuff, and it's a little more complex than a Starplug. Anyways, I'm gonna plug it in, and now let's see if after 5 minutes if it changes how much wattage I have. So it's been a little more than 5 minutes and it's been plugged in. I can barely bring it into view here, and you can see that it is consuming 47.71 watts. So that's good to see that what I'm sending to Starpower. And then I also noticed while playing around and waiting is that in the cogwheel up here, you can update your firmware of the Starplug, or you could even rename it if you wanted to, in case you have more than one so you can identify them. I know some people will physically draw with permanent marker like a number 1, 2, or 3 and name it the same in the app, and then you can identify it better that way. And then if you go to this personal area right here, we can see how many stars and stuff I have, and you can claim right here. And remember, you can claim every Sunday. Well guys, if you would like to be rewarded as Starpower collects electricity consumption data in your area, then be sure to click the link in the description. Use code MattLong6 to get $8 off your order. Join the giveaways And be sure to download their app so you can go ahead and get the experience card for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and God bless. Peace. Three, two, one. Magnetic.